Now we've taken the floor up, and we found out, like I said before, that the 4x4s are in the wrong place or in between the floor joists. We're going to end up putting the 4x4 on the floor joist here and over there. And before we do that, though, we're going to support a line of blocks from between 4x4s here and along that side and along this side, just because we can, and we'll make things better. So that's what we're doing. We're digging it out. We're going to wedge it up tight. We're pre-drilling holes after wedging up everything in blocks. We're pre-drilling the holes into this hardwood, and then we're putting 3-inch screws, which it did not have. It just had one nail on each end, tongue groove to hold it together. So we're making things better, not the same as it was. In 1914 didn't have battery power, didn't have very much in the way of screws, so this would have been something that really wasn't possible. You need a prop right there?
Probably, yeah. We have one right here.
Did we find a board to fit that in?
I sure did, but there it is. Yeah, I say, for fuck's sake, you know where it went.
Okay, Drew. Everything's fastened now. We put in new 4x4s over top of the floor joist, so it won't let the floor buckle up. We put 2 of them because both of those 4x4s were in between floor joists, and it was buckling up the floor. All the floors are now fastened with screws, and all in this area anyway. And we have wood underneath the areas where there's holes. Somebody had put a metal tin can, nailed it over there, so we're going to put a piece of wood in there later. But now we got solid floor. And away we go. See you guys later.